You know, laptop prices are honestly getting out of control these days. Think about it. A decent laptop that used to cost $500 now easily goes for $800 or more. So today, I'm going to show you what the MacBook Neo is really like, how it feels, how it works, and what you can actually do with it. By the end of this video, you'll know if it's a good fit for students, like gamers, or just anyone who wants a solid everyday laptop. Let's start with how it feels in your hands. Normally, budget laptops feel kind of cheap. Plasticky, keyboard bends a bit, and you hear that annoying creak sometimes. But Neo, totally different. The aluminum body feels solid. No bending, no creaking, and it's so light you can toss it in your backpack and almost forget it's there. If you're a student, a traveler, or someone moving around a lot, you'll notice this immediately. Compared to Windows laptops in the same price range, it just feels premium. Now, I know a lot of you are curious about the screen. There's been some debate online about resolution. Technically, it's 2408 times 1506, which puts it somewhere between 1440p and 2K. That's sharper than most laptops in this price range. Colors pop, brightness is good, and even near a sunny window, everything stays clear. Netflix, YouTube, scrolling through photos, or even light photo edits. It all looks crisp. Honestly, I was impressed at how much better it felt than typical budget laptops. Alright, let's tackle the big question you all have, RAM and storage. Many of you ask, 8GB RAM enough? Storage enough? Here's the deal. For students, light users, or someone just doing browsing, docs, YouTube, and even light photo apps, 8GB works fine. You can multitask with several browser tabs open, stream videos, or switch between apps smoothly. Storage is 256GB by default, but if you want more breathing room, you can upgrade to 512GB and also get Touch ID for an extra $100. That way you get more space and quick login. So yes, for most people, 8GB RAM is fine for now. Heavy multitasking or professional video editing? Maybe not. And of course, gaming is on everyone's mind. You want to know if Minecraft, League of Legends, Roblox, or even Cyberpunk 2077 will run. Honestly, light gaming works surprisingly well. Minecraft and LOL run smoothly, Roblox is fine. Even Cyberpunk hits around 50 FPS with frame generation on. It won't be ultra settings AAA gaming, but casual gaming, totally doable. Pause here for a sec. Think about the games you'd actually play. If it's mostly light gaming, this laptop has you covered. Typing and navigation are smooth too. The keyboard feels natural even for long sessions, though the base model doesn't have backlighting, so a lamp helps if you're working at night. Trackpad, classic Apple smoothness. Scrolling, gestures, everything feels perfect. Honestly, most laptops in this price range don't come close. Ports are limited, just 2 USB-C and a headphone jack. If you connect multiple accessories, you might need a hub. But for most students or light users, this is enough for your mouse, headphones, or maybe one external drive. Not ideal, but manageable. Battery life is another surprise. For normal use, browsing, streaming YouTube, working on docs, you can easily get a full day without charging. I tried it for a full workday and I didn't touch the charger once. If you're a student or office user, this is a huge convenience. So who is this really for? If you're a student, traveler, or light user, this laptop is perfect. Like gaming, browsing, Netflix, basic creative work, it handles it all. Heavy 4K editing, professional graphics, or tons of ports, not the best fit. Think of it as a solid everyday laptop with a MacBook feel. One more thing, you'll barely hear it. It's fanless, so no annoying whirring. It gets slightly warm under load, but nothing uncomfortable. Working on your lap? Totally fine. So, at the end of the day, for $599, the MacBook Neo is impressive. Build quality feels premium, screen is sharp, performance is smooth, battery lasts all day, and casual gaming is possible. Ports are limited and RAM is capped at 8GB, but for most people, that's not a deal breaker. If you're a student, light creative, traveler, or just want a reliable, solid laptop that feels premium, I'd say go for it. Hardcore video editing or high-end gaming? Look elsewhere. Now, tell me, would you grab the MacBook Neo for $599 or stick with a Windows laptop in the same price range? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I really want to hear what you'd pick.